Audi Forum's latest model is a very special R8 V10. Not only does it come in a lovely shade of Ara Blue, it also comes loaded with Audi Performance parts. First introduced in July of last year, the Audi Sport body kit produces more than 550 pounds of downforce at 205 miles per hour made of carbon fiber. The kit includes a spoiler, diffuser, splitter, and more. Helping the car round circuits faster are a set of brakes with sport brake linings that are less prone to fading than stock units. The R8 is also offered with 2- or 3-way coilover suspension kits as well. The images were uploaded to Audi Forum MyChannel's Facebook page. With restaurants, activities for children, and more, the forum is a special place for Audi fans to pick up their cars and experience a day of Audi-themed activities with the family. A similar package of aero and handling improvements can be fitted to the TTRS.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.